guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we look at the purification of water. So the purification of water, it can be done on a large scale or a small scale. So it can be done by a large scale or it can be done by a small scale. The purification of water on a large scale is done by, so this can be done by, there is storage, then there is also the filtration. The storage, there's filtration, and under filtration comes, there is a slow sand filter, the slow sand filter, as well as there is rapid sand filters. Then comes, there is a disinfection. There is disinfection. So under disinfection, there is a chlorination. Next comes, there is ozonation. There is also UV radiation. And the membrane processes, like there is membrane process, like the reverse osmosis, that's RO. Then there is also the nano filtration. Next, it also includes the ultrafiltration. There is ultrafiltration and the microfiltration. The purification of water on a small scale. So let's look at small scale. So under small scale, this can include, there is a household purification of water. So there is household purification. So this may include, there is boiling. Then comes a chemical disinfectant. So chemical disinfectant is by use of the bleaching powder. There is bleaching powder. Then there is also the chlorine solution. There is chlorine solution. Then comes the high test, hypochlorite. Then comes the chlorine tablets. Then there is also iodine and potassium permanganate. There is iodine as well as the potassium permanganate. The filtration using the Pasteur chamber. The filtration is using the Pasteur. There is Pasteur. This is the Chamberland filter. Chamberland filter. And there is also the Birkefeld filters. There is a Birkefeld filters or the Katadyn filters. There is also the Katadyn filters. Then there is also the addition of the UV radiation. The multi-stage reverse osmosis. Then comes the disinfection of wells. There is disinfection. This is of the wells, and this is with the bleaching powder.